wonderful family. You are welcome to my channel. Thank you for your love here. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching Deltop's tutorial. I love you all. And I want to say a very big thank you to my old subscribers. You guys are too much here on this channel. I love you all. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here. You are too much here on this channel. And to my returnees, you are welcome. I love you all. In this video today, I will be using this adire to make this beautiful top and skirt you are looking at. So it's very simple to make. Within 21 minutes, we are done with it. Okay? So if today is your first time, you are checking on this channel, you are watching my video for the first time, you are welcome. Do good and subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell to get you an update as I will be uploading my new videos. So guys, I want to draw my marginal line. So this is the top, the off shoulder top I told you about. So I've cut the lower part and I'm going to show you later. So let's complete this one. Now the back measurement is 14 inches minus 1 inch because it's an off shoulder top. So minus 1 inch, 14 minus 1 is going to give me 13. Then I'm placing half of my 13 inches right here. I'm cutting on fold. So this is 6.5 and then I'm going to add 0.5 for joining allowance. So on this point, I'm going to slant the armhole. You know, the off shoulder armhole is different from normal armhole. So I'm going to slant it like this. This is my armhole. I hope you saw this. Then the round of the shoulder for today's tutorial is 38.5. So I have my upper chest 33 inches. So 38.5 minus 33 inches is what I will be placing on the marginal line. So the cutter of bust measurement, I have it here. And then I'm going to add my desired allowance to it because it's just a free crop top. So I'm going to add my desired allowance to it like so. And the waist measurement, I have 32.5. So this cut out 32.5 and then my desired seam allowance. Then I'm connecting it to this top. Okay, I'm going to cut. So I'll cut this one. I'll cut like this. Then I will place it on the back panel. Then I'll come and show you after cutting. So this is front and back for skirt. So now I'll go ahead and place the side seam. First I'm going to mark the marginal line here. Okay, so I will mark about half an inch. I'm going to mark about half an inch like so. Half an inch. Then I'm going to connect the markings together. So I hope you saw it right here. Then I'm going to place on this marking, I'm going to place the waist measurement divided by 4. So I'm placing my waist measurement divided by 4 and then I'm going to add my hips and sewing allowance to it. I'm going to determine the hip point Then I'm going to mark 8 inches for the hip. So this is my hip line. I'm placing quarter of my hip measurement, which is 10 inches. Then I'm going to add my allowance to it. So I'm going to mark I'm going to measure what I have here. Here I have 13.5. So the next, I measured 8 inches from the waistline to get the hip point. Then the quarter of my hip measurement is 10 inches here. Then I included the seam allowance. The next thing I'm going to do now is to just bring this to the bottom of the dress. Okay, so as I'm coming from the hip point, I will be reducing it small. So I'm going to mark 12 inches here. As you can see, this is 12 inches. Then I'm going to connect this 12 inches to 13.5 using my long ruler. So this is what I have. So I already have my zipper line. So I just have like 1.5 for the zipper line. Alright guys, I've marked out the lines. So I have 4 lines here. So I'm short of fabric. I'm supposed to mark 2 lines, but because I'm short of fabric, and that is why I have 4 lines, I will be joining 2 lines together for the left side and 2 lines together for the right side. So once I've cut this one out, I will be having the string, that is the rope inside, that I'm going to use to pull it. If I want to wear it to ricotta, I can adjust it. If I want to wear it long, I can adjust it. And if I want mini, like the picture you are looking at, I can still do it. So that's essence of adding the string, or you can call it rope. Okay, so I'll go ahead and cut this in. When I'm through with this, I will be showing you how to cut, or the calculation for the string you are going to use for the skirts. So I'm cutting the 4th one. So I have 4 here. So I'll join this to the left side, and this is for the right side. Then I'm going to cut the string, or the rope. So this is the one I first cut, 1.5. Shouldn't have more than 1 inch here, okay, so that it can go freely whenever you want to draw it. So it can go freely like this. You know, I'm still going to sew like this. I'm sewing this 1/4 inch, and this one 1/4 inch. So this one should be more than 1 inch. Then when I sew it 1/4 inch from the both sides, this is how it's going to be. Then I'm going to use 1/4 inch to sew this part, and 1/4 inch to sew this part, as you can see. So I can move this rope freely here on the one I used to cover it, like this. So there must be a space, there must be enough space for the drawstring to move. I have tutorial on this. Please go and watch it if you have not watched it. So go and watch it for better understanding. So how will you know the length of the drawstring, or the rope you are going to put inside this one? Just measure where you want the rope to start from to the length, and then add just 5 inches to the length you are having. Okay, so just add 5 inches to the length you are having. You are going to pull. You can pull it to 3/4, you can pull it to mini skirt depending on your choice. So you just go ahead and add just 5 inches to the length you are having on this drawstring. Okay, so add 5 inches to it. So I'm done with cutting. This is sleeve, this is upper part, and this is the lower part, which is the skirt. This is the skirt, both front and back. So this is it. So I'll go ahead and join both front and back together. So but the next thing I'm going to do now is to join the zipper line together. So I'll join with 1.5, then I'm going to place front panel on it, and this is the drawstring and the one I'm going to use to cover it. And before I join this to the skirt, I will show you how you are going to do it. I've joined the back panel together. So this is back panel right here. Then I'm going to place front panel on it and then do the side seam. So this is front panel right here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to join the two sides. I'm going to close up the two sides before I insert the drawstring and the cover like that. So this is what I want to do right now. I'll go ahead and close up the two sides with the measurement, waist measurement on the waistline, hip measurement on the hip line. Then I'm going to sew from the hip line to the bottom of the skirt, and then I will insert the drawstring and cover it up. So guys, this is the negative side, both front and back. I've added my zip, as you can see. So this is the negative side. So I want to show you how to join the drawstring and how you are going to cover the drawstring up. So I've joined my drawstring. So this is the drawstring right here. So this is it. I just added 5 inches to the length of the skirt I am making on today's tutorial. So this is my drawstring. So now I'm going to fold it. So I'm folding it like so. As you can see, this is the side seam. So I want to show you how you are going to attach the drawstring. So this is my drawstring. I'm going to place it like so to the bottom of the dress. As you can see, there's still allowance there. So I will place it and use my pin to secure it. And then this is the one I'm going to use to cover it up. So this is the bottom. Then I'm going to fold it 1/4 inch like so and place it here. So I'm placing it. If you have watched my tutorial on how to make a drawstring top, you will understand better. So I will just take 0.25 here, 0.25 here. I hope you saw it. Then I'm going to start sewing from here to the waistline. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the other panel. I hope you get it. So there's it. So I will fold this like this. I will use my pin to secure this. Then I'm going to place it like so, using 0.5 from the both sides. Making sure that the remaining allowance will accommodate the drawstring whenever I want to pull it. So I will start sewing from here to the upper part and then do the same thing here, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. So I've placed my drawstring on the skirt like so, Then I used my pin to hold it down to secure it on the upper part like this. Then I'm going to take the one I'm going to use to cover it. So I'm going to fold 0.5 like so, 0.25. Then I'm placing it this way. So I'll go ahead and place it like so, and then use 0.525 here, 0.25 here from the waistline to the bottom of the skirt, making sure that the remaining allowance will accommodate the drawstring or the rope inside whenever I want to pull it like so. Okay, so I will take 0.25 here, 0.25 here. So I will still have 1 inch, and what I'm having here, the width is not even up to 0.25, so I'm good to sew. So this is the negative side, the way I sew it. I hope you can see it from the waistline to the bottom of the skirt. So let me turn it to the positive side for you to see. I hope you saw it. So I use paper to sew it so that I can have perfect sewing. So I hope you saw it. So I will remove the paper and then I will turn it to the negative side for you to see. So this is back panel and the zipper. This is the zip and the string. So this is the front panel. Okay, so if I want to pull, I can do it like this. So this is like short skirt, and if you want to turn it to mini skirt, you can even make it midi skirt, you can make it full skirt and short skirt as well, so depending on your choice. So I hope you saw the way I did it now. So the choice is yours, is your preference. You can make it long, short, midi skirt, anyhow you want it. And this is, I've joined the sleeve, and this is the upper part, which is the top part of the topper roach skirt we are making. I hope you like this as well. So this is just it. So it is an off shoulder, very easy to make. You know, I told you I have many off shoulder here on this channel. I have tutorial on how to cut off shoulder top, off shoulder dress, off shoulder padded, anything. I will put the link below so that you can go and check it for better understanding. So if today is your first time of checking on this channel, you are welcome to this family. Do good and click the subscribe button below, and then turn on the notification bell to get to an update as I will be uploading my new videos. Many thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next tutorial. I love you. Bye.